And this brings me back to times negative, which I read about times June, July last year, or ESP and all that. Uh, Whether or not we should change the IQs of the class. And this is for serious problem. Now you pray to the Creator. You pray to the Creator. You accept nature as it comes. And you know that you need to go for examination in life with life. So your life itself is examination. So do we support this falsification of human beings or not? The time will come. Now they select but get the class of the genes, What is going to happen if this really, given the interpretation, practical implications that they're going to actually implement it? What is for every rich man will want to have the best genes and have the son with the highest IQ or daughter. He can select now. Girl will not go for. They don't use nature. They want to tamper with nature. So what are you going to do? Whether you accept it or not, you have to think very carefully.